show you how to set up the tornado tube model for Kindergarten Unit 1, Lesson 8. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to get two 1 litre or 2 litre soda bottles, empty ones, and remove the band with a pair of scissors from around the neck. This gives you a much better seal with a tornado tube and it's less likely to leak. You're also going to need maybe a drop of dishwashing liquid and possibly a little food colouring, although this is optional. Fill one bottle with water, add just 1 drop of dishwashing detergent and screw the tornado tube firmly to the top. Put the empty bottle at the other end and also make sure it's attached firmly. And then all you need to do is practice making your tornado. Give it a little swirl and you should get a very nice tornado in the top bottle.